taking the cat a bath. Oh, she let me take the bath. Oh. Yeah, she getting her little bath today, y'all. Just the girl. Get a little soap on her. Soap. Just a little bit of soap. You know, cats boo boo and pee pee a lot. So, yeah, it's time to take my baby a bath. It's good to take them a bath with that little, because when they get big, yeah, not gonna let you take a bath. Let you take them a bath. Now I'm drying her off. So she won't get sick. I love cats. Listen, I love cats. Okay? I love me some cats, y'all. My cat had babies. She had 6 kids. She got 5 girls and she have 2 boys. 5 girls and 2 boys. And this one is the girl.